Hi everyone, it's Avi from CodeTigers. Today we will make a game called Catch the Apple. In this game, you will have to catch the apple using a bowl in a particular amount of time. Let's say, for example, 30 seconds. And for each apple you catch, you get a point. Let me show you what I created. I'll just click on run. So I can move my bowl using the left and right arrow keys. And I have to touch the apple in order to catch them. Once I'm not able to touch the apple, they go down and then they hide. Apples keep on falling from up. Now we can break the creating of this program into few simple steps. First is making this bowl sprite move whenever the left and right arrow keys are pressed. Second step is whenever we are catching an apple, the apple should disappear and the score should increase. The third step is we need to continuously make apples fall from the sky from a random position. And the fourth step is we have to keep a track of the particular amount of time which we have given the user to finish this game. After we click on create, this default screen appears. First of all, we need to delete the cat sprite and we need to add the bowl sprite. So here it is, our bowl. Just that it seems to be a little bit too small. I'll change its size to 120. And now I need to add two apples. First apple and second apple. Why I'm doing this is because I need the game to be a bit more difficult. So the user keeps on moving left and right. And I'll change the apple size to be 70. For the apple size too. Now, first of all, we need our bowl to go over here. So I'll drag out a when green chocolate block and I'll make it go to this position. And I need it to move left and right. So whenever the left and right keys are pressed, needs to go left and right. Let's see if this works. Yes, it works perfectly. Now, I want my apple to go to the top of the screen. So what I'll do is I'll go to events and I'll drag out a when green flag click. Then I'll make it go to a random position and I'll set y to 175. We'll make it go to that position. So whatever why I'm writing go to random position is before set y to 175 is because if I click on if I execute go to random position, it goes to a random position in x and y coordinates. But after I make it go to y 175, it will go to the top of the screen. That's what I want. So it only changes the x value that way. I need the same code for Apple 2. So either I can delete Apple 2 and duplicate my Apple at the end of the program. I'll just do that. Now after that, I want it to fall down. That's why I'll go to control and drag out the forever loop. Then I'll go to motion and change y by -5. After that, I'll go to control again and drag out if then do. Then I need to go to the operators and drag greater than block. And then I need to go to motion, drag out y position. So whatever the y position is, if it is smaller than this this value which I'm entering over here, then it goes to it does whatever I put inside it. I'll change this value to -170 because that is kind of the bottom of the screen over here. So now after that, I want it to go up again. So I'll make it go to random position and then I'll set y again to 175. Let's run this and see if it works. Perfect. Seems to be working. Now we need to add a variable called score. So I'll type in score and add score, and then I'll drag out when green flag clicked block. Then I need to set score to 0 here. Now my score is by default 0. After that, I'll drag out the forever loop and an if loop. And then I'll drag out the touching and change it to bool, so that whenever it's touching bool, it adds a score. So I'll go to variables and I'll change score by 1. Then I need it to go to its original location again. So I'll make it go to random location and 175. Now either you can copy paste the whole code to the other apple, or you can duplicate it again. So the whole code is here again. Now after this, I need to add another variable called time. And I'll drag out the binary flag click block. I'll go to variables. I'll set timer to 30. You can make it 10, you can make it 30, you can make it whatever you want. Then I'll drag out a repeat until, and I'll drag out this block here. So whenever timer is equal to 1, it will repeat, wait 1 second, and it will reduce timer's value by 1 until timer is equal to 1. Then it will say time is up for 1 second, and then it will stop all of the code. Now I need timer to go over here. Let's see if this works. Our score seems to be working perfectly, and our timer seems to be working too. Great. With this, our game is done. I hope you all had an amazing time with me creating this wonderful game. Goodbye and stay safe.